Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Mailchimp affiliate landing pages in USA step by step clearly.
Begin by logging into your Mailchimp account. Navigate to the Campaigns section from the dashboard.
Click on the Create Campaign button. Select Landing Page from the campaign options. Choose the type of landing page you want to create. Give your landing page a relevant name for easy identification. Select the audience you want to target for this landing page. Click on Begin to start setting up your landing page.
Customize the landing page layout and design as needed. Add necessary blocks like text, images, or buttons to enhance engagement.
In the Settings tab, find the option to enable affiliate tracking.
Enter the affiliate link you want to authorize for this landing page.
Make sure to save all changes to preserve your settings. Preview your landing page to ensure it looks and functions correctly.
Once satisfied with the preview, click on Publish to finalize the landing page. Share your new affiliate landing page link with your audience. Monitor the performance and analytics through the Mailchimp dashboard.
If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.